woken up as an entrepreneur and gone, oh my gosh, I'm so excited to write email sequences today? If that's you, you are a psychopath. But if you're like the rest of us, it sucks. So I created something called the Magic Email Writer that will write all of your emails for you in less than 5 minutes. I'm about to show you a demo, and in the demo, within 3.5 minutes, I wrote out a huge email sequence that would have taken me a whole freaking day to sell to my customers, to get my customers to go, oh my gosh, that's such a cool thing. I want to buy that thing. I want to click on that thing. I want to learn more. Whatever it is that you're selling, it will write emails for you. All right, I'm going to show you a demo now. All right, so here we are. This is my Magic Email Writer. Okay, so let's say you're pitching your offer. You have a book, or you're selling a coaching program, or you're selling a service. This will sell it for you. So actually, let's click on this and I'll show you guys how this works. Okay, it's going to ask us a few questions, and all we're going to do is answer the questions. Okay, it says, all right, so let's see this. It literally took me about 3.5 minutes to finish everything. Okay, so oh my gosh, how many emails? It wrote me 6 emails immediately. Like, you don't have to know anything that you're doing. This is going to ask you questions about your business, about your services, about your offer, about whatever it is that you're selling, about your webinar, about your challenge, about your anything. And it's going to write the emails for you because I have programmed this to ask you the right questions. So even if you have no idea how to do sales or marketing, this will do it for you. It's absolutely insane, guys. How much would you pay to save days of your life in writing emails? I would pay thousands of dollars. I have paid thousands of dollars to get my emails written for me. But now, when you buy my Magic Email Writer tool, this will write emails for you forever. If you hate writing emails, but you obviously know that it's so important, that this is how we bring in sales. All right, I'm Kristine Mirelle. I'm so excited for you. All right, everybody, now go make some money.